Hello everyone, my name is Inventor Sharon Almilia. I discovered a machine to control the earthquake to save our lives. But before that, let me explain to you if how I discovered a machine to control the earthquake. One day, somewhere in year 2016, when I was washing my clothes using the washing machine with spinner dryer, and when I'm done washing my clothes, I put my clothes inside the spinner, and when I start the spinner, it start to shaking, and it's really hard to control. But when I use the washing machine ball inside the spinner to balance the clothes inside the spinner, the shaking of my washing machine start to control. Since the earthquake never leave us alone, and he want to stay here in this earth, I think it's better to have or to get benefits from the earthquake. I want to collect the energy from the earthquake and use it as a renewable energy so that we can use the energy from the earthquake as a free electricity. And since I saw a shaking spinner dryer, I wanna use it and innovate it to collect the gas energy came from the earthquake. Just put big pipe in the fault line. Connect it with giant spinner dryer with full of spinner ball inside with four corners in the two sides. And when the spinner start to spin strongly, the big molecules of the energy came from the earthquake will hit all the corners of the spinner ball, and it's enough for the molecules to crush and it will goes up in the reserve tank to save the energy came from the earthquake, and from there the earthquake will be controlled and will save many lives.